Alright, let's just talk like humans for a second. Public goods and common resources. Sounds like something you'd hear in a stuffy econ lecture, right? But honestly, these ideas are everywhere, poking their noses into everything from why your streetlights work to why fish might be disappearing from the ocean. So, public goods. Think of them like the ultimate group project, except you can't kick people out. They're there for everyone, no matter what. You can't really stop someone from using them. That's the non-excludable bit, and if you use it, you're not taking away from someone else. That's non-rivalrous. National defense? Classic example. Once the army's doing its thing, everyone's sort of covered, even that neighbor with the weird lawn ornaments. Or, take clean air. You breathing it doesn't mean I get less. Unless you're standing very, very close. Now, common resources are a whole different beast. Still non-excludable, everyone can get in on the action, but if you use a chunk, there's less for the rest of us. Think fisheries. If one person goes wild and nets 1,000 fish, that's 1,000 fewer for everyone else. Welcome to the tragedy of the commons, which sounds dramatic, and honestly, it kinda is. People act in their own interest, stuff gets overused, and suddenly, boom, no more fish tacos for anyone. Why does any of this matter? Because figuring out who provides what and how we stop stuff from running out is literally how society doesn't implode. Public goods are usually funded by taxes. Governments step in, because, let's face it, private companies aren't lining up to install streetlights just for the good vibes. So, we all chip in, and everyone gets to walk home at night without tripping over a rogue squirrel. Common resources? Trickier. You've gotta stop people from being, well, people, aka taking more than their fair share. Governments slap on rules or quotas, like telling fishers, hey, maybe leave some for next year. Of course, rules mean you need someone to enforce them, and then it gets messy. Sometimes, local communities just figure it out themselves, which, honestly, can work way better. People tend to care more when it's their backyard getting wrecked. And hey, let's not forget tech. Drones, satellites, apps, these aren't just for Instagram. They actually help track stuff like illegal logging or how much water everyone's guzzling. Data nerds unite, because this is where you get to save the world, spreadsheet by spreadsheet. Oh, and public goods aren't just things you can touch. Herd immunity from vaccines? That's a public good. If enough people are vaccinated, even folks who can't get the shot are protected. It's like a force field powered by community effort. Science fiction, but real. Lately, everyone's shouting about climate change, and guess what? The atmosphere is the biggest, messiest common resource out there. Everybody breathes it, everybody pollutes it, and nobody wants to pay the bill for cleaning it up. Countries drag their feet, because why should we pay if everyone benefits? It's like splitting the check at a restaurant when your friend ordered the lobster. People are tossing around ideas like carbon pricing, basically, charging folks for polluting. Will it work? Who knows? It's complicated, politics is a mess, and nobody likes paying extra. But if we don't figure it out, we'll all be Googling how to live underwater sooner than we'd like. So yeah, public goods and common resources. Not just textbook jargon. This stuff is the reason your town has clean water, your favorite lake still has fish, and the planet isn't, hopefully, on fire. Yet.